Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to make kombucha. So the first thing you want to do is boil 4 cups of water. While your water's boiling, you want to put together your tea. So you want to use 3 tablespoons of black tea or 6 tea bags of tea that are already in the prepackaged size. And then you want to tie it up and your tea bag is ready. When your water is boiling, you want to put this tea bag into the boiling water and let it steep 5 to 7 minutes. After the 5 to 7 minutes, you want to take out the tea bag and add 1 cup of sugar into the tea. After you do that, you want to turn the stove off. After you add the sugar, you want to stir the tea until all the sugar is dissolved into the tea. After all your sugar is dissolved, you want to pour the sweet tea into a 1-gallon glass jar, and then you want to add in 8 cups of really cold water just to cool it down faster. This process to cool it down can take a really long time. It can take 3 hours, that's how long it took me, but if you put it in the fridge, it can take a shorter time. So I'll see you back when my tea is cool. After your kombucha cools, you want to add in your SCOBY. I usually do 2 cups of starter fluid with it. After you add the starter fluid, you want to test the pH level. This makes sure the kombucha is acidic, and if your pH level strip turns a greenish yellowish, that means it is good, as I am showing you right now. After that, you want to cover it up and leave it to be in a dark place for 7 to 14 days, and that's it. After that, you want to start making your kombucha, and next week I will teach you how to do that. So yeah, bye.